The alarm is in the RV. That one in here.
All right, so we starting. I'm gonna open the window to ventilate our house.
The neighbor's birds are going off. All right. Good morning, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, this morning we're going to put together a quick and simple breakfast involving just a few ingredients, but those ingredients are a little bit different than you're used to. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. This might be a good one. Family, this morning we're using our charred oven, and we already got it on and hot. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour in our butter.
What's all these ingredients you got over here? Most people don't put this stuff in no eggs.
Our ingredients this morning are, we're going to have our artificial
Crab meat.
That's
my suggestion.
And we're going to see how that works out. We have our tomatoes. We have our ground breakfast sausage. We have our pico de gallo, and my favorite, cheese. All right, family, so we got our butter in. Our butter is already hot. So let's go ahead and we're gonna drop our tomatoes in just like so. Boom. Boom. We're gonna surround our frying pan just like they would the wagon train back in the old days. All right, family, as soon as we drop those in, we're gonna let them do their thing for just a second. And that's going to soften those tomatoes up. Let's go ahead and flip them. You don't need to leave them in about 30 seconds or a minute. We're going to go ahead and flip those real quick. And hopefully this video is one take, y'all, because this is going to be a real simple breakfast if we get it right. There's one move we got to do that's still questionable, but if we get that move right, this could be a beautiful, quick breakfast with no mistakes. All right, next. We're going to go ahead and add in our eggs. And I hope 3 eggs is enough. Oh, yeah. I think that's going to be perfect. All right, fam. Remember, that's 3 eggs. But I will put all of their ingredients in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and set that off to the side. All right, family, we're going to go ahead and let those eggs harden up. That should take about a minute. As soon as those eggs harden up, we're going to come back. And that's where the crucial step comes in. We're going to attempt to use this to flip.
When you put the sausage and stuff in?
The sausage stuff goes in the other side.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. This is going to be interesting.
All right. We'll be right back. All right, fam. We're back. And the next thing we're going to do before this hardens up all the way, we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of, well, let's make that a helping portion of pepper. I don't think you can ever have too much pepper. Salt, that's a different story. All right, family. Let's go ahead and salt that. Oh, yeah.
That's generous. I like salt, though.
You do. I have high blood pressure, and my doctor doesn't like salt. All right, family, that's starting to harden up about enough. So, just in case.
Let's insert applause if you make it.
If I make it. Now, remember, Mama said if you're dumb, you got to be twice as tough. I don't feel like being dumb or tough this morning. So, let's go ahead and drop that plate in.
Here we go.
Here we go, fam.
Oh.
Flip. Oh, yeah.
How'd it turn out? How'd it do?
Boom.
All right, get
Perfect. Perfect.
Excellent.
Whoa.
Hurry up, put it in,
Boom.
Daddy.
There you go. Whoa.
Good job. We were showing off too much, y'all.
I know, right? All right, fam. Now, this is where it gets interesting. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put in our crab meat.
I think that's going to be the signature.
Let's straighten that out right there, babe.
I think that's going to be the signature taste.
I don't know about that.
It's going to make it fantastic. Fitzgerald, you going to try it?
And the last time we saw that was on Seinfeld with George Costanza.
Yeah, George Costanza put the lobster in the egg.
All right. You know what? We're not going to put this breakfast sausage.
Why?
I don't think that's going to cook. I probably should have pre-cooked that.
Maybe. Put it in the microwave.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's go ahead and cut this off because that is already getting done. Let's go ahead and drop out. You know, fam, here we make up mistakes so y'all don't have to. So the first mistake we made was this. So we're going to go ahead and spread that out, make it real thin. And yes, I'm using my fingers because it's just for me and Lady Red. And we're going to cook this in the microwave real quick. Boom.
Well,
that's something I didn't think about.
look, the applause, we got the applause for the flip.
Hey.
So we made a minor boo-boo by not
A
preheating, pre-cooking the sausage, but the flip was fantastic.
We made a minor boo-boo, but you know the motto of our channel. We make mistakes so they don't have to. Boom. I'm still loving it. I think it's headed in the right direction, and I'm just waiting to put that cheese on there, baby. Woo! Love the cheese. Let's go ahead and get this mess out of the way. We like to keep our workstation nice and clean, people. Clean as you go. Ain't that right, Lady Red? Clean as you go. That's her motto.
That's not how I cook.
Clean as you go.
That's not how I cook.
No, that's your motto for me. Roselle, clean as you go. I went ahead and cut that off because that's already almost done, y'all. How's this sausage look? Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and flip that.
Did that work? Putting the sausage in the microwave?
You made a hamburger out of it.
We gotta crumble it up when we put it in the...
I should have spread it out more.
Yeah.
I think I should have actually just cooked it in the frying pan first.
Before, yeah, maybe
poured
before
it
you...
out.
Yeah, and then put it back in. All right. We're doing things over here on this and that. We're doing some things and this and that.
I thought this video...
Daddy, smash it up.
I thought this video was going to be...
A few seconds long?
Yeah, maybe 2 or 3 minutes long, but... We're going to have... This is the extended version.
We're having fun.
Yeah,
I hope
we
you
are.
guys are having fun with us making...
This is the extended version. Ooh, that sausage smells delicious.
It does?
Yes, it does.
Is it pork
Smell that.
sausage? Ooh, it do smell
I
good.
know, right?
And you can see the seasoning in the sausage. What kind of sausage is it? Trick question.
Smithfield.
Uh-oh.
Don't act like I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Don't act like I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Fitzgerald.
All right, Daddy,
you,
that
buddy.
should be good.
All right. Put that on top.
You want to put it on half or all over? All over?
You know what? Let's do that because we're going to flip this
We're
over.
going to flip it.
All right. Put that on the left-hand side, y'all. If you're right-handed, put it on the left side. If you're left-handed, put it... It don't even matter. And for the coup de grace, you know what kind of cheese this is, right?
Pepper jack.
Pepper jack, baby. She know the only way to go. If there's such a thing as too much, we're going to leave just a little bit of cheese for the
Put it
top.
on the top.
All right.
Here
Boom.
we go.
Here we go, y'all.
Grab that edge.
I know, right?
Yeah, maybe we should have flipped it the other way. It's good. It's good, Daddy. You're doing a great job.
I don't know. It's going to tear.
It's not going to tear.
It's going to tear.
It's not going to tear. Smash it down. Smash it back together.
Boom.
Woo!
Boom.
Excellent day. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Look at that, y'all.
I see you.
Boom. Now, for the coup de grace.
Cheese on top. Yeah, baby. I'm telling you, the lobster, y'all. If the lobster is the go, he's going to have to get on here.
A little bit of pico de gallo on the top. For
No.
Why not? For decoration. Look at that. That looks plain.
No.
A little bit of pico. You know,
The chef is coming out, y'all. The chef is coming out.
Hey, there's no such thing as too much pico.
How many of y'all like cilantro? I love cilantro.
And this has a strong, this is from Rouse's. It's one of the few things we do like from Rouse's.
I love cilantro, though.
All right, y'all. Boom. There it is. Woo. Now we're going to let that, let's fire that back up for just a second.
Now that's a fire.
Now that's a fire. We're going to fire it up for just a second.
Who came to help us eat? He didn't help us prepare.
I know, right?
As soon as it's time to eat, here comes
He's here.
Fitzy. Here comes Fitzy.
Woo. All right, fam. Look at that sizzle, y'all.
Y'all, he said, look at it sizzle. I'm over here looking at
Look at-
lips.
I know, right?
Camera woman. I got distracted.
All right. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and plate this.
Here we go.
All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way so we can get a good visual on this masterpiece. And that's enough for 2. And that was what? 3 eggs, a little bit of crab meat, and I am real curious to see.
The crab meat is going to be what takes it over the top.
Look at that, y'all.
It look pretty good.
I ain't mad at it.
It look pretty good. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. All right, fam. I'm going to grab a fork. That's the one thing I forgot. Remember I said, do I have everything?
You did pretty good, other than, you know, the sausage.
What? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's a 10-minute video, y'all. 10 minutes, probably less if you cook the sausage.
You're right. It would have been probably 6-7 minutes.
Okay, let's see.
Do I have some? Oh, there's some crab meat in there.
Go ahead, you taste it first.
All right.
So you can tell them how delicious it is. It's lobster meat. I said crab. It's lobster.
Lobster.
What you think?
Artificial lobster meat. Not bad.
You think it's
I think we need
artificial?
some toppings on it though. I need something.
Let me see.
Hold on. Get you a piece right here.
Yeah, I don't want that much. Ooh, give me some cheese though.
I know, right? Yeah,
He tearing this thing up.
oh, I'm finna tear it up soon as we cut that camera off.
Thank you. All right, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all the real deal, Holyfield.
What does it need? More salt?
It's delicious.
You like it just the way it is? Well, you know, as soon as I cut the camera off, I'm putting some mayo on it.
Well, the crab meat, I think, makes it a little sweet. Gives it like a little sweet taste there.
Lobster meat.
Lobster.
I better say crab too.
I think that he has distracted me.
How?
And made me think that it was crab meat when it's lobster meat.
All right, fam. I enjoyed making this video. Woo, it was hectic though. We did have a few bloopers, but I did enjoy making this video. And family, this came out nice. And I want to see if you go ahead, if you're going to use the sausage, go ahead and cook the sausage first. And this is probably about a 6-minute breakfast. All right, family, if y'all enjoy this kind of content, y'all know what to do. Give us a thumbs up. And if you like what we do here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy, Rosie. Peace. Fitzgerald, what you think? Let's give him a sound.
Uh-oh.